Meet my friend, Feather. I love Feather the Owl as a diffuser in my kids' bedrooms, and I even have one in my office. So he actually acts as a diffuser and a humidifier, and he is just adorable. So his feet are how you change him, and you can change his lights, but then listen to this in the back. So you can make it louder. Yep, and he actually has 6 different songs. Ocean waves, birds. That's my favorite lullabies. But I wanted to, just to be clear, for everyone out there that's thinking of getting started with the Little Oilers kit, it is an amazing value. You actually are going to get 5 of our favorite oils for kids through the Kid Sense collection. And what's great about that is they're pre-diluted and they are made for grab and go use by all of you busy mamas on the go. So for me, essential oils for my kids were really a main reason I got started, and I needed to have things that were easy to use with my kids, safe and effective, and that's what this Little Oilers kit is. It tailors it directly to your needs as a parent, and you can add on to your membership through there. It's only $135, and you can actually have the oils on hand like this. You have 2 roller fitments with it, so you can pop the pops on. This is Sleepy Eyes, my favorite one for nighttime, or you can just have them and have the rollers when you want to use as needed and have them ready to go in the diffuser. I would highly recommend Owie has a roller on the top for those owie kinds of moments as a parent. This is such a fun kit, and we are so excited Young Living has it to offer. I know it's assurance for me as a mom that I can move forward with my best foot and give my kids ultimate health and wellness and have a fun time with Mr. Feather the Owl while we're doing it.